Before you contact your insurer for help with water damage repair, you should first find out if your policy covers this type of emergency. There are many reasons why you should make a claim, but there are a few things you should know before filing a claim. A policy's terms vary, but generally, the insurance company will reimburse some of your costs for repair. For example, if you are not able to live in your home while the damages are being repaired, your insurance company may cover certain living expenses. Additional living expenses, ALE, are listed in your policy declarations page. These costs include food, clothing, and laundry. If you are unsure whether your policy covers water damage, it is recommended that you hire a licensed plumber to assess the damage. A plumber will be able to find the source of the leak and can provide evidence of how long the leak has been. If the leak has been leaking for several days, your insurance company will likely not cover the cost. Getting an estimate from a licensed plumber is the best way to make sure that you get the maximum coverage. To file a claim, you should contact your insurance agent. An agent can help you determine if you have coverage for water damage. If you have a standard homeowner's insurance policy, this type of water damage is covered. If not, your agent can file the claim for you. Keep in mind that not all types of water damage are covered, so it's important to understand which ones will be covered by your policy. If you need help with the process, contact your insurance company today. When filing a water damage claim, it is imperative to work with a licensed plumber. Your insurance agent will be able to determine where the leak originated and the amount of time the leak was in place. If the leak is a prolonged one, you will probably not be able to file a claim for the repair costs. A licensed plumber will be able to provide evidence of how long the leak was in place. If you're not sure if your insurance company will cover the damage, you should ask your insurance agent to check with your insurer. They can deny a claim if the water leak was so long that it caused mold. Besides being unsanitary, water damage can be dangerous to your health. If you're unsure about your insurance coverage, you should consult with a licensed plumber to find out the details of your policy. The first step in a water damage claim is filing a claim. It is crucial to document the damage and keep records of the repairs. Photos will help the insurance company decide if you're eligible for a claim. If you're unable to file a claim, you will have to pay for the repairs yourself. You'll also need to provide evidence of the cause of the water damage so that you can prove that it was caused by your insurance. When it comes to water damage, the top cause is the failure of the plumbing supply system. The most expensive insurance claims involve a plumbing failure, but these aren't the only sources of damage. Failing to repair a leaky toilet, draining a sewage system, and washing machine supply lines are all common causes of water damage. You'll need to have these issues addressed if you're planning to sell the house. After a disaster, it's important to dry out the area as quickly as possible. If you're able to move out of the house immediately, you'll want to add that expense to the claim. Once the insurance company has approved the repairs, the home restoration team will begin the work. Remember to wait for the insurance to approve major repairs until the insurance company has approved them. If you're unsure, consider hiring a professional for the job. Once your insurance company approves the claim, a professional will come to assess the damage and begin the repairs. Before signing any papers, you should wait for the insurance company to approve the repairs and get a written estimate of the costs. If the repairs are major, you can't afford to make them yourself, so you'll need to hire a contractor to do the work. If your insurance doesn't cover the work, you'll have to pay for it yourself.